It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry, Bussy, and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
It's Monday. That means it's time for Marry Me Monday. My name is Sam, alongside Sherry, Bussy, owner of Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sherry.
Good morning, Sam.
It's a new month, a new stone, my favorite personally, Aquamarine, and there are several different ways that you can use that stone and put it into a ring or a pendant or a necklace at Emerald City Jewelers.
That's right. One of the nice things about Aquamarine is that you can have a large stone or a small stone. They do come in good-sized crystals. They're generally a crystal that forms in a cylinder shape, so they kind of lend themselves to being cut in a long stone, like an emerald-shaped stone. They do have a nice clear clarity most of the time. We love Aquamarine.
I mean, it's one of my favorites.
It really is. It's beautiful. It's a nice light blue, kind of greenish blue, kind of reminds you of the ocean and the waters and that sort of thing. The Aquamarine, lovely set with diamonds and white gold, because then it's nice clean look.
For myself, my birthday is in March, and if I want to say, hey, my birthstone's Aquamarine, and I want it in something, but I'm not sure what I want it in, you could kind of give suggestions on what maybe the stone would look better in, as far as a pair of earrings or a bracelet or whatever you may have at Emerald City Jewelers.
Yeah. Well, one of the nice things we do at Emerald City is we do custom work for you, and we can design it to go wherever you want. If you want to wear it at your neck and then make a nice, beautiful pendant out of it, or if you want to wear it as a ring, it's a nice stone to wear as a ring or a pendant or earrings, and it glistens nice in the sunlight. So it's a nice choice, especially if your birthday is in March.
That's right. So for all your Aquamarine stone needs, of course, Emerald City Jewelers. Where are you located? How can people get a hold of you if they want to do that custom work at Emerald City?
Well, we're located in the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the Emerald Green roof. We share the corner with the Kentucky Fried Chicken. We're right across from the main entrance of the mall. So we're open 9:30 to 5:30 Monday through Friday. If you can't get to us by 5 o'clock, we're always there after 5 o'clock. So let's say you get off work and you want to come by and talk to us about something. We're there until we decide to leave, honestly. So if you come in and you have to be there a little bit after 5:30, that is so fine with us. And then also we're open on Saturdays from 9:30 to 3.
All right, Sherry, thanks for coming in.
You're welcome.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.